morning everybody. I'm at the famous Elgin Grabouw Railway Market. It's the hype of Grabouw. It was an old apple packing factory with amazing sort of Art Deco styled litho work, as you can see here in the balustrades. We've got a variety of stalls. I'll take some shots of them now. A great place for gins, tasting wines, getting a bite to eat, and just exploring Elgin. And then don't forget, when you do come here, there's a secret little hideaway upstairs section. As you can see, there's also this wonderful mechanics of old propeller fighter planes that they've used as a sort of a fan structure, and then what they call the Beast, which is the amazing fireplace for winter.